You gotta have a practice day if you want to see any meaningful competition. Otherwise, it's just gonna be a complete crapshoot. So.
Trying something new with practice, having it open, allowing pilots more responsibility and a little bit more flexibility, and it's making things a little bit faster, and it's giving pilots a lot more packs to fly, which is fun.
One of the things that I don't get to do enough is practice. So being able to practice on the course, dedicated practice just for this race, for me particularly, is going to be very, very helpful.
Really good guys from all over the world, and they all came here with one mindset to win this thing. So it's going to be a fierce competition.
I flew here in a plane, but I competed in a few races over in Canada.
Participated in Manila IDRA, and I got first place, so I got some points for the final.
I waited for like half a year, and now it's finally the final in Las Vegas.
You know, Andy's a fast pilot. I'm watching a bunch of these next blade guys, and they're all ripping through the course fast. You know, it's just gonna, like I said, depend on surviving through the track. Survival of the fittest.
I think by 20 practice runs, people are really going to have it down pretty good, be hauling around here.
We're doing like 21 hits at least, so that makes me happy. I had to go right now.
It's just a matter of learning the lines, trying to figure out where to get speed, where you need to be banked, and how hard you need to hold that bank.
After you start finding out your line, you pick up the pace, you start getting faster around the corners, around the straightaways, and that way you are relying more about muscle memory instead of actually, what you see in front of you.
Our partnership with Liftoff is the official game of the 2018 season.
You do what you can, and the simulator, allowed me to practice the lines and get some strategies for the course before ever flying it myself.
They released the track on the simulator, but nothing beats like the actual stick time on the course, right? So it's valuable. Kind of sucks we're taking a lunch break, but it gives us time to repair things, right?
There's a hoop up there. You gotta go through it, not into it. Usually, it helps.
I've actually had the worst luck over the last week, and I'm flying a French quad.
I hit one of those hula hoops, and then I just wildly ran.
You're not gonna get through TSA with that.
Oh no.
I'm watching another else feed. It's like you have more stick time, but only for memory.
The team me and my dad have going on is really good. He takes a lot of stress off of me.
So, here we go. So pick up that sign and look at the far edge, the closest edge, and then just aim straight down below the edge. You'll see that the edge of the sign kind of dictates where the center of the circle gate is. So if you can kind of aim for the edge of the sign, then you'll line up for the center of the middle gate.
The server I'm setting up basically is going to allow everything to be streamed tomorrow. It should be starting with the first races. We should be streaming throughout the day.
Well, pilots definitely have their work cut out for them today and tomorrow, and you know, it should be some really good racing.
Well, tomorrow is going to be a big time because there's only one kid, so it's you know, you're in or out, so it's going to be interesting.